Let's be honest, nobody wakes up wanting to be broke. We all want financial freedom, the peace of mind that comes from knowing our money is working for us. But the truth is, most people make the same hidden money mistakes every single day without even realizing it. And these small mistakes, they quietly drain your wallet, kill your progress, and keep you stuck. Today, let's uncover 5 silent money mistakes that might be costing you more than you think, and how to fix them starting now. Mistake number 1, spending emotionally, not logically. You've had a stressful day. You open your phone and boom, flash sale, 50% off. You convince yourself it's a reward. You buy things not because you need them, but because they feel good in the moment. But here's the truth, emotional spending is one of the biggest reasons people stay broke. You're trading short-term comfort for long-term struggle. Light bulb quick fix: before you buy anything, ask yourself, would I still buy this if no one could see it? If the answer is no, it's not a need, it's a feeling. Mistake number 2, saving but not growing. Saving is good, but saving alone won't make you wealthy. Think about it. If you hide your money in a bank account that pays almost no interest, and inflation keeps rising, your money actually loses value over time. $3,000 today might only buy $1,000 worth of goods next year. Light bulb quick fix: don't just save, invest. You can start small. Savings plans, mutual funds, small businesses, even learning a skill that earns you more later. The goal is not just to keep money safe, it's to make it grow. Mistake number 3, living like you're rich before you actually are. Social media makes this worse. Everyone's showing off, new phones, cars, vacations. And you start thinking, I deserve that too. So you borrow, you spend, you stretch your paycheck just to keep up. But here's the hard truth: pretending to be rich is the fastest way to stay poor. Light bulb quick fix: stop trying to impress people who aren't paying your bills. Live below your income, not above it. Because financial freedom isn't about what you show, it's about what you keep. Mistake number 4, not knowing where your money goes. You get paid. You buy food, data, clothes, and by the end of the month, the money's gone. You tell yourself, I don't even know where it went. That's not bad luck, that's poor tracking. If you don't control your money will control you. Light bulb quick fix: track every expense for just 30 days, even the small ones. You'll be shocked by how much leaks out on snacks, subscriptions, and small luxuries. Once you know where it goes, you can take back control. Mistake number 5, being afraid to take financial risks. Many people fear losing money so much that they never try to make it grow. They say, I don't trust investments, or what if it fails? But doing nothing is also a risk. It guarantees that nothing changes. Start small, learn as you go. Don't gamble, research, ask questions, and take calculated risks. Growth always lives outside your comfort zone. So let's recap. Money doesn't disappear by accident. It slips away through small habits: emotional spending, lazy saving, lifestyle pressure, poor tracking, and fear. But the good news is, you can fix all of them starting today. You don't need to be rich to build wealth. You just need to be intentional. Because in the real world, money rewards those who respect it, manage it, and make it work, one wise decision at a time. Your future wealth isn't built on one big win. It's built on small, smart choices every single day.